Hey guys, Dominic Neshi here from Galahad. Today in my little whiteboard session, I want to talk to you about equity. This is Property 101. So if you understand it, tune out. But if you don't understand about equity, tune in. Today, equity basically is the difference between the total value of your property versus what you owe against it. Okay? So in this instance here, we bought a property for $500,000. 10% deposit, so the total loan amount is $450,000. Now, property market's grown, it's now worth $600,000. So the difference between the valuation and the total loan amount is $150,000. Don't go cash a check just yet because you still need to get access to that $150,000. Now banks won't give it all to you. What they will do though is either give you 80, 90% of the total valuation. So in this instance here, $600,000, they give you 80% of that total valuation. The total loan amount they'll give you is $480,000. Now the difference between that and what your current loan amount is $30,000. Not a lot. Now in some instances, they'll let you go up to 90%. You might have to pay some lender's mortgage insurance, or if you're a doctor or solicitor, you won't have to, depending on some certain little bits and pieces. Talk to each of your lenders or broker. But let's say you're 90%. 90% of $600,000 is $540,000. Now the difference between that and your existing loan is $90,000. So it's very simple. That is equity in a nutshell. If you've got any other questions or would like me to touch base on any other glossary of terms that you've come across or seen in my videos, just send me a text or message me. I'll chat to you all soon. Bye bye.